Hello everyone, Cassie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. Today I'm just going to quickly share with you the brand new Simon Hurley Create release that just came out. I think it was Friday, and these showed up to me on Thursday night, so I didn't really get a whole lot of time to play around with them, and we of course had a very busy weekend. So I'm going to quickly share with you what they are. They're awesome. I have some plans for some of them, and I do have some cards to share with you. But let's get into it. There's a bunch of backgrounds. They're all gorgeous. I love the big red rubber backgrounds. They're just fabulous. So here's this one. This first one is called Bold Woodgrain. And so, you know, they're 6x6, you know, big background. I did make a card using this one. So I made this card right here. And look at how pretty that looks. I did this on kind of like almost like a craft cardstock, but I think that one looks really good. That's cool. Very fall-like. Obviously, you could use it for just about anything, but I really like that. I think that looks good. Imagining like even stamping it in gray on some white so that it could be like a, is it birchwood? Anyway, stamping it in gray on white cardstock would be really pretty also. You could make some really cool Christmas cards with that one as well. The next one is the rose borders, and this is a two-piece, and they're absolutely gorgeous. It's like this beautiful sketchy, you know, this one has a bunch of roses and some petals, and this one is mostly like petals, or not petals, leaves. And so it's two-piece, and I did make one, or actually two with this. So I used it on this part right here, this particular stamp, and then I did stamp this one onto some watercolor cardstock, and I colored that using some of the various Simon Hurley Create inks. So I really like that one. This next one I haven't used yet. It's called Watercolor, but I have plans for this one and also the Brushstrokes. So Brushstrokes is technically 6 pieces, so you could use it all together. It also has these two stamps that you can pull, or three. These three that you can pull out, and then these two that you can, you know, pull apart and stamp separately also. I think the idea of pull apart backgrounds is actually really genius, so I love these. And these go so well with this one stamp set that I have plans to make a few cards with these, and then using this stamp set called Inspired. And I do have the matching dies to go along with it, which I think is great that they're doing that now. Isn't that cute though? You've got a couple of painted images and a couple of, you know, smaller painted images that would go really well with these. And then you have these two cute little painters, the elephant and then the bat. And we've got art, you inspire me, create, follow your dreams, and don't let anything stop you, and then keep being you. So I think that's really cute. So keep an eye out. I plan to have a video with all of those, using all of those. Next up is this background. So we've got this background called Bursts. And I think this one is gorgeous. This one makes me think of, well, snowflakes. It also makes me think of just like boho almost, like, you know, that background that you can do with the white. I think that would be really pretty on it. Also, it kind of makes me think of fireworks a little bit, like abstract fireworks. I think that's really, I don't know, kind of neat. And so you can really make some cool backgrounds with it. I did use it on this particular card that I made, and I used some distress embossing glaze on that, but I really like this one. Like I said, I feel like this one could just, it's like abstract kind of, however you want to make it. Snowflakes, fireworks, whatever. And then there's this really cool Whimsical Woods. I love all of the line work on this one. It's beautiful. I did use it on this one also. It's kind of hard to see, but it is part of that background. And it's 2 stamps, so that makes it neat. It's got really neat little details to it, like little mushrooms. I just think it's just a neat background. And it goes so well with this stamp set called Woodland Life. And there are so many images on here, and there are dies for all of those images, which is fabulous. So you've got little bugs, you also have birds and mushrooms, and then of course all woodland creatures, and you've even got some acorns and a little snail. How cute is the snail? And then all the sentiments that go along with this. So this is 42 pieces. That's how many stamps you have on here. So a lot of options, a lot of, you know, ability to make some cards. And I just really love the sketchiness of the images themselves. So we've got congrats, best of luck on your new adventure. So proud of all that you've accomplished. Life's adventures are better when shared with a friend by your side. Grateful for the many adventures we've embarked on together. Thank you, so grateful for a friend like you. Just a note, you make my heart sing. You're a hoot. Love you. I'm nuts about you. Sending bear hugs from our neck of the woods. Hello and friend. So cute. And I did make this one, and I also made that other one you saw earlier. Oh, so I made this one using the owls, and I made this one using the little squirrel and the nuts. Says I'm nuts about you. And of course I had to put some on the inside also because those little nuts are so cute. And I just watercolored all of these using some of the Simon Hurley Create inks. So love that. And then this final stamp set that I'm sharing is the Everyday Wreaths. So it has matching dies for all the images also. And you've got 2 big wreaths. You also have 2 big beautiful flowers. You've got a couple different leaf options. You even have a bud, and then you have 2 butterflies, which is really great. And then there's a lot of wonderful sentiments in here. Thanks for everything you do. Thinking of you. I'm here for you. Just a note. I believe in you. Hello, friend. With heartfelt sympathies, congratulations. I love you with all my heart, and sending thoughts and prayers, which I really love that one. So I did, as you saw earlier, made this one using it. I popped up the wreath, but then used that other piece for the sentiment and popped that back down. And then this one, I just used the sentiment on it, but obviously it goes so well with this particular background. So I do love that Simon Hurley does that, you know, he makes backgrounds, but usually makes them with the stamp sets in mind as well. So like I said, I didn't have a ton of time to make a bunch of cards. I have plans, but I would love to know what you think. Are any of these like right up your alley? Are you excited for any of them? Is there one in particular or any of these that just like really pop out to you? Or is there a card I made that you just really like? I am going to try and make a little reel of that one quickly for Instagram, but yeah. Anyway, so yeah, leave that down in the comment section down below. If you like this video, hit the like button. Definitely consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And as always, I'll see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.